Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'll show you what to do when a website you are trying to visit is blocked by Google Safe Browsing. This usually happens in Google Chrome or other browsers when a red screen appears saying the site may contain harmful content. If you trust the website or believe the warning is a mistake, there are a few things you can try to access it safely. First, let's talk about why this happens. Google Safe Browsing protects users from dangerous websites. It blocks sites that may contain malware, phishing scams, or harmful downloads. But sometimes, websites get flagged even if they are now safe. This can happen if the site was hacked before or if it includes content that Google finds suspicious. If you are not the website owner and just want to visit the site, the first thing you should do is check if the warning is real. Go to virustotal.com and paste the website link into the search bar. This site will scan the URL using many different antivirus engines. If most scanners show the site is clean, it's likely a false alarm. If several say it's dangerous, you should not continue. If you still want to visit the site, you can bypass the warning in Chrome. On the red warning screen, click the Details link, then click Visit this unsafe site. This loads the site, but it skips Google's warning. Only do this if you're sure it's safe. Next, let's talk about antivirus software. Your antivirus might be blocking the site too. If you believe the site is safe and want to test it without antivirus interference, you can temporarily disable your antivirus software. This can be useful, but remember to turn it back on afterward. To disable antivirus on Windows, look in the bottom right corner of your screen for the antivirus icon. If you're using Microsoft Defender, go to the Start menu, search for Windows Security, and click it. Then go to Virus and Threat Protection. Click Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings and toggle off Real-Time Protection. Remember to turn this back on after checking the website. Again, only disable antivirus if you're confident that the website is clean. Do not download files or enter personal information unless you are sure it's safe. If the warning keeps showing, you can also try reaching out to the site owner and let them know. They might not realize their website has been flagged.